Hi everyone. So right now is a critical time for small business, and there are many franchise owners across the country who are small business owners and are shut down, and that impact and what they're experiencing right now is scary. And I wanted to send a message of hope to them and some just inspiration of what you could be doing during that time. So we're always looking for more time, and now we have devoted time to be able to work on some of the projects and some of those special things that we've always wanted to do but really don't always have the time for. And so I know that there's an urge during this time frame to, get on Netflix and binge watch and go through this process of disconnecting and distracting ourselves from what's upon us. But that's not necessarily what you could do that's going to serve you the best. I would just encourage you guys to focus on connecting right now instead of disconnecting. And so if you have customers who are you could reach out to, that you have their contact information for, my recommendation would be to go ahead and contact them. Call them, ask them, how are you doing? Is there anything that we can do for you? We just want to let you know that we care about you, and please stay in touch, keep in touch with us so that we can make sure that we keep track of one another and that we're looking out for one another during this time. Think about the impact that would have. How many companies have picked up the phone and called you at this moment to say, how are you doing? How are you feeling? What can I do to help you? If you are the person that's doing that, you're creating such an impact on them, and they're going to want to do business with you after the fact. So think about what you could do to make an impression, what you could do to let them know that you care. Maybe it's doing LinkedIn recommendations, maybe it's doing a handwritten note, and maybe it's picking up the phone and calling them. There's a lot of fear out there, and people are in crisis mode. But if you can be that voice of how can I help? We're a community. We want to be there for one another. Then it really does build loyalty in this situation, and so you can create more of a lasting relationship with the customers that you do have. And in that raising of their spirits, the bonus is that it raises your spirit too. And everybody could use a little bit of that right now. So I just want to encourage you guys to be good guides, to lead people to more connection, not less. And I hope you'll do this, and I wish everyone the best of the luck in it. Stay well. Bye, everyone.